Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I'm going on holiday soon for a week. I will try and get some updates out every day on the laptop if I can, but it won't be to the extent that I get them top 4 out, XRP and Cardano. Now I'll try and do what I can. If I get a bit of time, I'll obviously get the updates out. Just letting you know that I'm going to be on holiday. Okay, taking some chill time, buy and go to the beach basically. So, Bitcoin's doing really, really well. Okay, it's approaching this all-time high at the moment. Okay, it's looking really, really bullish, isn't it? Like I said to you, it looks really bullish, and it is really bullish. So potentially, you're putting in this October run. This is the rectangle that we went through just there. This rectangle just there, we've gone through as well. Come October, we've absolutely exploded, and come October here, we've absolutely exploded. Yeah, and potentially, if we start to do this, this is where you could see us go up to this 200k. And if we just drop this bar chart on from here, around about the 5th of October. To the all-time high in May. If we drop that on, if we drop that on there and drag that onto here, look where it takes us. So right now, if we sort of go for a very, very similar run right here, it would take us into next year. A lot of people are expecting the blow off top by the end of the year, which you can see that particular blow off top, which will take us up to a forecast of 200k plus, which has been my forecast for many, many years now. And so far so good. So for me, it's on a journey. It's doing everything it needs to for the continuation of the bull. It always has done. This was a corrective phase of a bull market. I keep saying that because I think I was the only YouTuber that was saying that. Okay, and this is what the CoinsKid crew is the Diamond Hands crew basically. It was coming down and it was creating bullish reversal patterns. It was retracing to these highs, and it's exactly what it's did. You've broken this high now, and like I said to you, you've got one high left. That's the all-time high. I was saying you were going to do this when you broke out here. Okay, so you're on a journey and you're doing really, really well. I'm not blowing my own trumpet, but so far so good. You can't ignore the technicals. You can't ignore what's in front of you, and if you're holding support and structural support for continuation, then that is what's in front of you. Okay, it got a little bit shaky down here, but we held the 1272 and we start to pick up, and we've never looked back, and we're putting these high highs and high lows at the moment. So even if we roll here, we get rejected and come back down, to a key level support, even this blue trend line, we're still high highs, high lows for continuation. It's amazing. But for me, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. We've just had the ETF approval as well, so Bitcoin is absolutely about to rocket, because it's gearing up and it's conforming and it's doing everything it's done before basically. There's a saying, isn't there, insanity is doing the same thing and expecting different results. Well, Bitcoin's doing exactly the same thing it's done in the previous 4-year cycles, and people are expecting different results. They're expecting bear markets here. No bear market here, bear market opium. Okay, it held the 1272, which you've done in the previous 2 bull runs, which I've shown you, and right now you're looking to break this high and you're looking to continue. Okay, so for me, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. I do think that you're running to these levels of resistance on the way up here. Okay, so like I said to you, you conform to the fib, so you're going to run into the 1272 at 80k. I would expect a level of resistance, come back, get some support, then you're going to melt up to the 1414 at 90k, come back, get some support, potentially come down to the 1272 and rest. Because this is what it does. Look, you're approaching the eye, wherever you found support on the 786. This is what it does, and this is how quickly Bitcoin can melt and take off as well. So once you break this high, I think it's full steam ahead. Okay, and you're looking at November, December being extremely bullish for Bitcoin, like I've always said to you. So you're going to hit these fibs, come back, hit this fib, come back. That particular technical target at 168, you probably have a bit more of a deeper retracement. Everyone thinks that's it, game over, 100k's met, but I do think that that's where we come back in December and we absolutely take off and double up again, because this is what Bitcoin's capable of. Okay, so that's basically Bitcoin. Just a quick little update for you today. We're marching through these fibs and these technical targets. Okay, so I would imagine you're going to run into levels of resistance at these particular points. Let me just drop these in so I can get these absolutely knob on for you. Okay, this white line just there. So for me, you've got resistance at the 1272 at 80,968. Then you've got resistance at the 1414 at 91045, and then you've got our technical target at the 1618 at 107757, where I do think you're going to run into levels of resistance. I do think at this point you're probably putting a bigger retracement than these 2 levels of resistance moving forward. Okay, for Bitcoin. So that's basically Bitcoin. I'll be back with another update relatively soon on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you once again for your support. Take care everyone, back soon with another update. Stay healthy, stay strong. Bye bye.